Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the controller and connecting it to your computer. This ensures FL Studio can detect hardware. Once connected, open FL Studio and go straight to Options Midi settings to see inputs. If your controller is class compliant, it will show immediately. Otherwise, install vendor drivers and restart FL Studio. Make sure to enable the device as a Midi input and select generic controller or the specific name so signals route into the program. Now you map controls. Choose the Midi input port number and output if needed, then enable the device. Once enabled, pick the controller type to access presets or leave as generic for manual mapping. To map, right-click a knob or slider in FL Studio, pick Link to Controller, then move the physical control. FL Studio captures the CC and port automatically. Make sure to save mappings as a template so you don't repeat this step every session. Create an instrument channel and play keys or pads to verify note data reaches channel rack and records into the piano roll. Once mappings behave, save a Midi controller template and then your project so mappings persist. If something breaks, check the Midi input indicator in the toolbar to confirm signal flow. If no light, recheck USB, drivers, and port numbers in Midi settings. As a quick fix, toggle Auto Accept off and on, or restart FL Studio.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.